Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing this obstacle course my mom made for me. Okay, so let's do this. So you gotta go under here, but I can touch them, but I just can't break them. Then I need that there's one right there. Then it's like, I'm so close to touching one. I gotta go under. Gotta go under. I broke one. Then, gotta go kind of through this one. Or I can just stand up and do it. Wait, guys, let's get them a second. Oh, so close. I didn't break it. Oh, I made it. Okay. Now, I can't touch any. Okay. So I'm going to keep the phone right there for a second. Let me comment below if I touch any. Oh, so close. Actually, I'm just going to that. I just can't break any. Okay, let's keep doing it. Oh, this one was from before. I didn't break this one right now. I just broke that before. Okay, here. So close. So close. Okay. Now we just have this to go. Ready? Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I'm just gonna make short videos like this all the time. The levels are gonna get harder and harder. Bye. Stay safe. Try not to be miserable.